Here we have a problem on ratio. P, Q and R are three cities. The ratio of average temperature between P and Q is 11:12 and that between P and R is 9:8, and we have to find the ratio P is to Q is to R. Okay, two ratios are given in the question. That is the ratio between P and Q, that is 11:12, and the ratio between P and R, that is 9:8. Okay, whenever we solve this kind of problems in the given two ratios, what is found in common? It's very clear, we find P in common in the given two ratios. Okay, in the first ratio, what is the value corresponding to P? It is 11. In the second ratio, the value corresponding to P is 9. So usually in the given two ratios, the values corresponding to P, the values corresponding to the term which is found in common will be different. So our work is to make them to be same. So in this case, the values corresponding to P in the first term and second term are different. So they are 11 and 9. We have to make them to be same. So to make them to be same, what we need to do is we have to find the least common multiple of 11 and 9, that is 99. So we have to make the corresponding value of P in the first ratio as 99 and the value corresponding to P in the second ratio also as 99. So to make this 11 as 99, I have to multiply both the terms of the first ratio by 9. So P is to Q is equal to 99 is to 108. Let's come to second ratio. Now I have to make the value corresponding to P as 99. So I have to multiply both the terms of this ratio by 11. Then P star is equal to 99 is to 88. Okay, so in these two ratios we find P in common. The values corresponding to P in both the ratios is same. So in the first ratio, the value corresponding to P is 99. In the second ratio, the value corresponding to P is 99. We got the same value for P in both the ratios. So that is the work we have to do. Okay, now let's list out the values of P, corresponding values of P, Q and R. So for P, we have 99 in both the ratios. For Q, we have 108. For R, we have 88. Okay, now let's do the ratio P is to Q is to R. That is 99 is to 108 is to 88. So is there any common divisor for all the three terms, 99, 108, 88? No. So this is the simplest form of the ratio P is to Q is to R.